technology is a record-keeping technology designed to make it impossible to hack the system or forge the data stored on it, thereby making it secure and immutable. Blockchain works via a multi-step process. 1. An authorized participant inputs a transaction. 2. That action creates a block that represents that specific transaction or data. 3. The block is sent to every computer node in the network. 4. Authorized nodes verify the transaction and add the block to the existing blockchain. 5. The update is distributed across the network, which finalizes the transaction. Blockchain-based systems increase trust, security, transparency, and the traceability of data shared across a business network and deliver cost savings with new efficiencies. Every device in your network must have a copy of every transaction made. That means hundreds of copies of the same data. It requires massive storage, and the bigger the blockchain, the more power the nodes need to process everything. PayPal. 1. IBM, 2. Microsoft, and 3. Accenture. The first step is to learn about blockchain on Bitcoin forums on Reddit, crypto vlogs on YouTube, and blockchain news on CoinDesk. Second, you can take advantage of the blockchain technology by joining the system for your transactions to better protect your business, reduce hacking threats, get faster transactions, and automated account reconciliation. I hope now you've understood about blockchain technology. Check out the description for the 10 in-depth facts of blockchain technology. Let us know in the comments section some of the things you'd love to learn in just 100 seconds. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.